Hello friends, welcome to Rinku's Rasoi. Today I am going to share the most requested recipe and that is Lauki Muthiya. To make the Muthia, I am taking this Lauki. It's a small size of Lauki. I am going to cut the sides. Just remove the sides. And now I am going to cut it into half. And then I am going to peel this. I will show you the way I am peeling the Lauki. Just peel the two sides and leave little bit of skins. Now I'm going to peel it from the opposite side just like this, and I'm going to leave the skins, and I'll show you why I'm leaving the skin. I'm just going to do the same process again. Now I'm just cut into the half, and same thing with the other part. And now I'm going to shred this. The reason I'm keeping the skin over here, because if you shred this without the skin, you will hurt your palm. So this is the reason I'm leaving the skin like this, and then just shred it. So it will be very easy to get the shred. At the end, just remove this skin. So here our Lauki shred is ready. I'm going to take this shred into the bowl, and I'm going to add 1 cup of wheat flour, half cup of besan flour, half cup of suji, 1 tablespoon ginger, 1 tablespoon garlic, 1 tablespoon of green chili, 2 tablespoon of sugar. You can adjust the quantity of the sugar. And I'm adding 1/4 cup of yogurt, 1/4 cup of oil, 2 tablespoon of lemon juice. Oil and curd will make it very soft. 1 teaspoon of baking soda, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin and coriander powder, and some salt to taste. I'm using pink Himalayan salt. If you want, you can use regular salt as well. And now I'm going to mix everything together, and I'm going to use my hand to mix it. Just mix everything. Now everything is nicely mixed. Look at this. Now I'm going to keep it aside for 10 minutes, and I'm going to take little bit of oil on my palm, and I'm going to take some amount of dough, and I will just make as a cylinder shape like a muthia. So just make a shape like this, and now I'm going to steam this. So here my steamer is ready. I'm going to put my plate on it, and I'm going to grease this plate with oil. That is very important, to grease the plate with the oil. And I'm going to arrange my muthia on top of it. Arrange the way that it has some space to release the steam, so the muthia will cook properly. Now I'm going to cook for 30 minutes. It's been 30 minutes, and as you can see, the muthia has puffed up very nice and is nicely cooked. So I'm going to take this out into the plate, and I'm going to let it cool down completely. So make sure once you take out into the plate, you have to let it cool down. Otherwise the muthia will get separate. So here everything is cooled down completely. Now I'm going to cut it. So just cut it into the 1/2 inch rounds. Look at this. The muthia is very soft and spongy. Now I'm going to do some tempering in the muthia. So for the tempering, in this pan, I'm going to take 2 tablespoons of oil, half teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida, hing, and 1 teaspoon of sesame seeds. And now I'm going to add 3 to 4 dry red chilies and just saute everything. And now in this tempering, I'm going to add my cut muthias and mix everything very gently. So just mix everything and saute for 2 to 3 minutes. So all the tempering will coat the muthia very nice. And look at this. It looks so yummy and tastes amazing. And now my muthias are ready. I'm going to garnish with some cilantro and it's ready to serve and eat. Look at this. It looks so tempting. So I'm going to finish my muthia and you just make this muthia and enjoy it at your home, and I will see you with the next episode of Rinku's Rasoi. Till then, happy cooking!